we are high-class lighting group, a professional manufacturer of solar street lights and solar floodlights. This is one of our top-selling solar floodlights. It can be with different power. This one is 300 volts. It's with OSRAM LED chips. For these solar floodlights, it can be turned on automatically at dusk and be turned off automatically at dawn. And it also can be controlled by this remote control. At daytime, it will be charged when it is connected with this solar panel. The material of this lampshade is ABS. The working temperature is from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The waterproof level is IP67. It's a very cost-effective one. Thank you.